snow. Okay, not so slow-mo. This is so pretty how the raindrops, actually it's snow, and it's melting, and that's so neat. What a cool effect. Alright, y'all. Setup day 1. Just kidding. But I was playing around with the materials, free materials we have so far for the rickety bridge. And this will be a new area that we're going to utilize, which is underneath this covered porchness here. And I just cut some pool noodle into some pieces, just messing around with it. We got plenty of pool noodle to test out. I only wanted a small amount of it, but it's definitely pretty rickety. Obviously they're not like connected or anything, and this one is a regular pallet, and then this one is one that I found, nice completely covered one. Well, it's crappy wood, so we can't actually use this one, but I can use it for testing. But yeah, this is it's so rickety. I love it. Obviously, if it was, set up properly, with the holes and the rope, keeping it separated perfectly. But I think this is going to be so fun. And then they're going to go out this way. But I'm not going to spoil too much because it's really cold and soaking wet. And I want it to be a surprise. And this is what those pool noodle pieces were. I just cut them into thirds. But I think for some of them, I might do it smaller. But I also have an option to build the bridgeway on these, which I love to use these for storing our outside stuff like fences and stuff, because they have this great groove right here. I always put this down. That way all the water that pools over there, as you can see, lots and lots and lots, it just goes right underneath it. And this is the wood that I was talking about that is from the cabinet building place that is right down the street from us. They put out like pallets and pallets full of free wood every day. I don't know if these are scraps or mistakes or whatever. I mean, it's not like the best stuff, but I was just over at the toy store, Home Depot, and prices have gone up. So I wasn't wanting to buy anything this year anyway. And I never really know what size I'm gonna get. As you can see, I have literally 3 different sizes here. The top and the bottom are the same length, but they're different widths, which you can't really tell from this angle. But yeah, it's interesting, but it's free. So that's the best part. That's what we want to do. Build as much as we can for free.